There's not much to talk about fun and games wise in this tropical forecast, although our forecast here at home looks fantastic. We'll get to that in just a moment. I do want to update you with the latest on Hurricane Milton. Milton is strengthening again. You can see in the last few frames of our enhanced satellite, it does appear to be undergoing what we call a bit of an eye wall replacement cycle. You can see how the eye wall is kind of stretching out a little bit and it's starting to look just a little bit more disorganized. That generally precedes some possible strengthening. So while this is a Category 4 right now, we do expect that this will become a Category 5 again, likely by the next update at 11 a.m. We will likely see Milton as a Category 5 once again. Now, it does not look like it's going to retain Cat 5 strength. This is one of these storms that fluctuates in intensity frequently. Looks like it will drop back to a Category 4 before making landfall. But I do want to stress that that doesn't really matter. A Category 4 hurricane, even a strong Category 3, especially with this track, is catastrophic, and especially because Helene came through, made landfall up across the Big Bend area, but again, destroyed and washed out a lot of those barrier islands, a lot of those protective zones just near Tampa or just offshore. So all of this water from the Gulf of Mexico is just going to surge right into the bays and again, just inundate the Tampa area if this track holds. And again, Tampa has not had a direct hit from a major hurricane like this in over a century. We're talking 10 to 15 feet of storm surge. Again, that's up to the second floor of houses. That could be up to the roof line of some homes. We're talking complete catastrophe, inundation here. Please heed those evacuation warnings. Again, if you have friends, family, loved ones that you know down there, urge them to not attempt to ride this one out. This is an incredibly dangerous, powerful storm. 10 to 15 foot surge in the Tampa, Sarasota area, coupled with very heavy rainfall, which could lead to more flooding. We're looking at 5 to 7 inches of rain with locally higher amounts right across northern Florida as the storm crosses. If there's any bright spot, it's that the Carolinas will not be affected by Milton. That was the area hardest hit by flooding from Helene, and it looks like Milton will stay south, but Florida certainly in the crosshairs of this incredibly large and dangerous storm. We'll keep you updated. Our forecast here at home is very quiet. We will not feel any impacts from Milton here in Philadelphia or New Jersey or Delaware. Let's go ahead and pull up our current conditions outside. You can see how cool and crisp it is right now. We're at 47 in Millville. It's 52 down in Dover, 54 in the city right now. That is tied with our currently coolest temperature here in the season of autumn. We just hit that on Sunday. It's 51 right now in Wilmington, and to the north and west it's even cooler. We're looking at 40s in Reading, Coatesville, Pottstown, Lancaster this morning. So what to expect as we go through the rest of your afternoon. Let's talk about it. Again, we'll see lots of sunshine throughout today. Right now it is sunny, it is bright. The Delaware River looking over toward Camden, nothing but sunshine and blue sky. And high pressure will keep us quiet for the next several days. So today is a perfectly seasonable October day. Temperature wise, we have our morning lows in the low 50s. That's average. Our afternoon high of 70 is right where it should be as well. 69 at the shore, upper 60s in the Lehigh Valley as well. Taking you through the timing here as we go through the afternoon and evening and right into tomorrow. There's actually a secondary cold front. I'll show you that coming up. You can see it's dry today, tomorrow as well, just a few clouds maybe in the Poconos, but here comes some colder air Wednesday night into Thursday. Any precipitation with that second front stays to the north. These are outer cloud bands from Milton, by the way, you can see showing up out to sea there on Thursday, but not going to impact us. What we will feel as that secondary front comes through, another round of cooling. We drop from the 70s into the 60s by Thursday and Friday, and your next 7 days, well, we warm right back up for the weekend. It's another beautiful weekend to get outside, 70s, and great weather for the Eagles on Sunday as well.